Hello, hello everyone. Good evening. Can you hear me? Can someone confirm, please?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Raj.
Sir, I have sent a resume to you. Can you please review that?
We reviewed it yesterday, right?
Sir, sorry?
हमने कल रिव्यू किया था आपका रिज्यूमे।
नहीं सर,
कल नहीं किया था?
नहीं सर।
यू श्योर?
यस सर।
जैसे याद आ रहा है कि कल आपका रिज्यूमे देखा गया था एक बार।
नहीं सर, मैंने कल मीट के बाद आपको भेजा सर रेज्यूमे।
अच्छा, ओके। सो विल सी योर रिज्यूमे। ओके, जस्ट अ मोमेंट। या okay, Raj, I have got your resume. I'm sharing my screen. Just confirm if you can see that. Can you see my screen?
यस सर।
You're from NIT Meghalaya.
यस सर।
Meghalaya is a beautiful city, state, right?
या इट इज।
है ना? Mountains and everything. I have not been there, but I have heard of it. So that's true.
यस सर, डेफिनेटली।
So which city, which is your native city, by the way?
सर, आई एम फ्रॉम देवरिया, उत्तर प्रदेश।
So you got NIT, so you went for Meghalaya.
यस सर।
So how is NIT Meghalaya good in terms of studies?
इट इज नाइस सर, लाइक above average.
Above average. How about the placement? Placement comes there?
No, yeah, placement is good, but for this year it is not that much.
Because Meghalaya is in northeast, na? So I don't think so many companies might be coming there, right?
Yes, sir. But this year it was bad.
Hmm. Okay, good. So you have made this resume basis the format I shared, right?
Yes, sir. And I've also changed about the yesterday feedback. You're giving the feedback on another resume.
Uh,
So I'll make some changes in it.
Good. Okay, so if we go from the top, it is really looking good that you have so many forums that you are there to show your coding talent, right? So this
Yes, sir.
certainly puts a good impression. Okay, so this is good. I see you should have also mentioned your 12th and 10th, if possible, because that is a part of your eligibility, at least for TCS. Okay. Going
Okay.
ahead, you might skip that, but if it is for TCS, then better you keep it. Okay. And then
Okay.
uh, put it in the bracket. It's pursuing.
Okay.
So it is pursuing or 25 completed.
So just completed, but I didn't get the result for the 8 semesters. So the CGPA is according to the 7.
Mm. Okay. So you can mention 8 CGPA till in the bracket till 7 sem.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you got me right. 8.02
Yes, sir. Yeah.
CGPA in the bracket 7 sem. And then programming languages only Python. So
Uh,
no Java, no OOPS, no C plus CPP. Huh?
Sir, I have written the C++ and Java, but I have
Uh,
only the basic syntax knowledge of that, so I removed that. So the question shouldn't arise on that.
that is a wise thing. But if you are good at CPP or Java, you can write Python intermediate, Java basic. Because somewhere just one language, you know, is looking, given that you are a prime candidate or Ninja.
Sir, the problem is that I only got a single mail of the interview. Before that, I didn't get any mail about role specification. So I don't know about that.
Oh, is it? Nobody confirmed you whether you are prime or digital or Ninja. Is it?
Yes, sir.
How was your written round?
Sir, I've solved both the coding questions.
Then it
In
should.
the first, I passed all the test case, and in second, 5 out of 7.
Mhm. And that is good actually. So, just a moment. Abhishek. All right. So, Raj, we will take your mock interview tomorrow.
Okay, okay, sir. Can you confirm the time, sir?
Same time, 8:30. Our call is at 8:30 only. So, uh, we only join at 8:30. So, it will be the time. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So this is the programming language. See, this here, you have to keep a balance. Code and web development, there are so many things, right? Whereas
Hmm.
programming is only Python. Or you can remove this database separately and mention Python, SQL, MySQL. You're getting me, right?
Yes, sir.
Merge, merge programming and databases. That's
Okay,
okay.
sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Mm. Projects, it's looking good. See, you have mentioned Python. Good. Good, good, good. HTML, good. Hmm. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Wow, good. I finally got somebody with extracurricular roles. Everyone so far is only tech, 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 tech. So you are a coordinator of placement cell as well, right?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. See, when you just mentioned one point, it is not required the bullet. When there are more than one points, you require bullet. But still okay, not a big thing. Hmm.
Hmm.
See, you have some space below, so can you keep some space between these achievements?
Yes, sir.
It's very clumsy, right?
Hmm.
This is also very clumsy, very congested. Whereas you see there is so much gap here, right? And this
Yes,
is
sir.
too crowded.
Hmm.
Keep a balance.
Okay.
Okay. See, your CV looks very appealing, I must say. It is a mix of your technical skills, your extracurricular roles, and very good achievements. At the same time, you are available on so many platforms and you have actually kept all the links of your projects, which shows that you are a genuine candidate. मतलब आपके प्रोफाइल को देख के मैं बिना देखे भी लेने का डिसीजन ले सकता हूँ प्रोवाइडेड आई चेक योर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल गेटिंग माय
Okay,
पॉइंट
sir.
all of
Yes,
you
sir.
on this call it is all of you should inspire from Raj resume कि this is next to perfect and then it has everything. It has link, it has its certificates link, it has its achievement. So I basically, in the interview I ask question to check whether you know or not. And when you make it so engaging, so lively, it is justified that you know so many things. Then only the communication and authenticity has to be checked. Otherwise, this is very good. He has mentioned lead code profile, code forces profile, right? Code chef profile, GitHub profile. That means he is a very much, into coding and knows things. And given that he is there on lead code, he must have solved problems also. So I think Raj, I will give you 9.5 out of 10 on this resume.
Sir, and one more thing, sir. My interview is going to held online mode.
9th June, right?
7th June, sir, but
Online.
in online mode. And
Uh,
sir, they didn't ask about the resume till now.
so that they
So,
download the resume from the application. Have you updated it after the application?
yes, sir.
So do one thing, you can share your resume in the online meeting. Chat box में ऑप्शन रहता है वहां अपलोड कर देना और बोल देना
Okay,
सर
sir.
आई अपडेटेड माय रेज्यूमे कैन यू सी दैट प्लीज.
Okay, sir.
आपको रिक्वेस्ट करना पड़ेगा राज
Okay, sir.
क्योंकि वो फिर डाउनलोड करेंगे एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म से बिकॉज सिंस इट इज ए ऑनलाइन इंटरव्यू.
Hmm.
ठीक है.
Okay, sir.
वेरी गुड राज वेरी गुड रेज्यूमे. टुमारो वी विल टेक अ मॉक आल्सो एट 8:30.
Thank you, sir. Thank
यस.
you very much, sir.
All right. Yeah. Okay. Now, anybody has any queries before we move on to reading the resume? So some people are asking on the chat now. This is the forum where you can ask me live. I will not answer in the chat box. Harsh, yeah, you have,
Yes, sir.
yeah, yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Ask.
Sir, I have a query.
Hmm. Bolo, tell me.
Sir, what is the criteria of calculating 12th percentage? Means I have six subjects in my 12th class, including PCM, Hindi, English, and PHA, which is making 60.66%.
Okay.
So, am I eligible? And if I exclude the PHE, then it is 59.8.
No, so they consider best of five, right, in CBSE?
Yes, best of five, but English is compulsory.
So English is compulsory, then best four. So how much it is after that?
Then it is making 64%.
You are eligible.
So, it means do they check all six subjects or best five?
नहीं उससे समझ में क्या आया जब मैंने बोला यू आर एलिजिबल ऑन बेस्ट फाइव से आपको
सर बेस्ट फाइव सब्जेक्ट्स ही लेते हैं।
इंग्लिश को लेके तो क्लियर है आप क्यों डर रहे हो
क्योंकि सर अगर क्योंकि मेरा सब्जेक्ट जो एक मैथ्स भी है जो कंपलसरी आई थिंक
समझ
रहता है।
गया आई गेट यू बट आप सीबीएसई कंसिडर लाइक दैट देन नथिंग टू वरी अबाउट राइट
ओके सर।
ठीक है बी कॉन्फिडेंट इन योर सेल्फ नो बडी विल डाउट यू अनलेस एंड until you are confident in yourself
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर।
okay Jaitara you can unmute and ask okay I can see your comment Jaitra Jaitra you have to unmute and ask I will appreciate guys if you have anything to ask please unmute I'm not looking at messages
Good evening, sir.
good evening Pratham
Sir, I'm shortlisted for a prime interview. Sir, I got the mail on 28th of May.
hmm.
Sir, can you please review my resume?
Hmm.
I've shared it in the chat box.
Okay let me download it
Sir, am I audible?
yeah Jaitra I can you're audible
Sir, since I'm from this physics background, I'm quite confused about my resume and type of technical questions to
your
prepare.
voice is not properly audible
Actually, my house is having a bit of network issues. Is it clear now?
I can see you but it is not very strong but yes so you are a physics student MSc physics student and then you have got the call for TCS prime interview right so your question is that you cannot you don't have many coding projects right? So how will you face the interview? So basically, in this case, you have to justify how, as a physics student, you will contribute to IT. And I think there are very good answers which you can give. Like, physics is very much used in quantum computing, and that's a part of Gen AI, right? And then so if you see mathematics, physics, and technology are very much integrated. Okay. So you have to justify all these things, and TCS is also into research and development, and the physics will be very much used there. So you have to justify, throughout the interview, how you are relevant to IT industry and what benefit you can bring to TCS. Okay. Jaitra, I hope I answered your question. If you want, we can review your resume as well.
Okay, sir. Then I will edit my resume as per the suggestions. I saw your videos today. I will send you my resume by tomorrow or something. We
Yeah,
can
yeah.
go with
Tomorrow we can check it. Okay.
Sir, my projects are basically on electronics, like something that can replace silicon, etc. So, yes, it's practical about this.
Jaitra, your voice is not clear. I am not able to hear you properly. I would recommend you make your resume and tomorrow you connect with a good network where we can hear your voice, right? Okay, because it is not audible. Otherwise, you come in the network and or close to the mic. Okay, all right. I'm sharing my screen. We'll review the resume of Pratham.
Yes, sir.
Pratham, can you see this? Yeah.
Yes, sir. It's visible.
Okay. Okay. Good. I think you have used the Arial font, right?
Yes, sir.
I think Calibri or Times New Romans looks more better. Can you change the font to Calibri?
Yes, sir. Definitely.
What is the difference between Delhi and New Delhi?
Okay. Uh, it is the same. I thought
Same thing,
ki
right?
my
So
school
better.
is in Delhi, can so I meant
Unless and until
New
you
Delhi.
justify Delhi and New Delhi are different, or Old Delhi or New Delhi,
Okay.
you understand?
Okay. Yes, sir.
So you have done specialization into AI and data science. Both of them are
Yes, sir.
demanding and very trending.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So you can
Yes,
expect
sir.
questions like what is the role of data science in artificial intelligence and what is the role of artificial intelligence in data science? Can you answer this?
Like artificial intelligence is the
No, tell me the role
superset
of, yeah, role. Okay, go ahead. Yeah.
superset of data science where we like analyze uh, the uh, in data science we do what is analyze the data which is like there on the internet, and we process the data according to our product, and we draw insights from it. And in artificial intelligence we use machine learning algorithms where we analyze the data deeply, where uh, the how the people are using the data. Hello, hello.
Sorry. So basically, you said which is the superset of whom?
AI is the superset of data science.
So AI works on data science. मतलब AI is data science is not
Uh,
the superset of AI. Are you sure? Or both are
um,
independent?
um,
Be sure because I can cross question you and I can give you enough examples to
sir,
challenge your answer.
yes, sir. I'm always asked questions like why am I moving from AI background to web development, or
You,
why
you
I have done internship as a QA intern, and I'm applying for a development role.
now you are qualified for which category? Prime Digital Ninja.
Prime.
You have to defend it, Pratham. You are escaping.
Mm, yes,
Isn't
sir.
it? See, with
Yes,
this
sir.
this thought process, you cannot clear prime interview.
Yes,
You have
sir.
you have good percentage. You have read AI for 4 years. Give the answer better than a layman, right? That is all it is needed. You
Yes,
can
sir.
say AI uses data science principle because what is AI? It is analyzing the data only, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
data science can be made easier through AI. Simple.
Okay.
I don't see any complicacy here.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
And
Yes,
then
sir.
you have programming languages C plus CPP Python. So you can answer both, right?
Yes, sir. I have like solved DSA questions in C++,
Uh,
and for like uh, my data science or QA background, I have used Python.
you can justify both.
Yes, sir.
Quality assurance. So you know automation testing.
Yes, sir. But my internship involved much of manual testing. So I have to like
That is
justify it
fine,
very
but
hard for.
manual testing is very outdated, right? Still,
Yes,
it is
sir.
used, but it is more about automation testing. You know, tools like Selenium.
Yes, sir. We worked on like Selenium script to automate our web app, which was about
That is fine, but
giving nodes.
do you know how to use Selenium?
No, sir. It was like
No, see, there are
self-exploration
two things. One is that you have done something which is very small part. One is that you read about it, personally. So better you read about Selenium because that is something, which is very used in companies. Very much used.
automation.
Okay, so you will have questions on Selenium for sure.
Okay,
Then
sir.
all kinds of testing, white, uh, shoulder testing and all those testing you should know, right?
Yes, sir.
So the sorting visualizer, split bills. You can use technology used, by putting a comma here. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
It is a hyperlink, positional responsibility. Good, you are a member of CSI. Finally, somebody with membership. Cricket, athletics, and music. Who won the IPL this time?
Sir, RCB.
And who won the?
It was.
Yeah. So that is in the news, right? Who is the captain of RCB?
Oh, sir. Oh, no. It
Huh?
is definitely not Virat Kohli.
You are a cricketer, right? So you should know this. यार जिसने
I
ट्रॉफी उठाई
don't
है उसका नाम तो पता होना चाहिए ना. You should know who has lifted the trophy, right?
know this, sir. That is the case.
He is Rajat Patidar.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So
I
you won
don't usually
100-meter
follow.
gold, right? Relay
Yes,
events.
yes, sir.
Which is the which is
In
the
100,
world number one team in athletics in relay in Olympics?
I don't usually follow these.
No. No, this is something
Um,
prime. You are a prime candidate. You should know at least. I am not asking you about any other game. I am asking about your game, right?
Pattern.
Correct? Member
Yes,
of part of a seven-member team. This is wrongly
part
written.
of focus.
Member of a seven-person. Seven-person is wrong.
Yes, sir.
So you should write,
Yes,
a part of a
okay.
seven-member table tennis team. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Mm. Table tennis. See, you have seen the indent is on the right side. It should be in the same line. Can you see this? It is
Yes, sir.
little bit on
The
the right.
hobbies and interest. Yes, sir.
Yeah. And then you should do little more darker bullet point. It is very, very thin, right?
Okay,
Can you
sir.
see this?
I have to like reformat my resume.
Uh, Your resume is okay, but I have suggested you some corrections which you should do. Number one. Secondly, you should be more confident about what you have done because you are sounding less confidence, at least for the prime role. And
Yes,
why
sir.
this is highlighted? Why this is highlighted? Sorry, underlined. Why this is underlined? Okay, this is also underlined. Okay. No need to underline anything. Clear?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, should I like remove Python or I must
No.
keep it?
No, you should know it better, right? Can you face questions on Python?
No, sir.
Then
Like if they go deep into like quality assurance or
then
data science.
then write Python and keep bracket basics.
Okay, sir.
Or you put it in the end here.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do you also know Java?
No, sir. I have not done Java. Sir,
No,
I had
please. You CPP, you have done CPP is not used these days much. All the projects use Java. So please increase your knowledge of
basics of
Java.
Java. Okay, sir. Okay.
When is your interview?
Sir, the date is not given yet.
Pratham, you need to work on yourself. Please,
Yes,
you
sir.
know, give at least 6 hours daily. Otherwise, it is
Yes, sir.
difficult. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, when can I expect the interview date?
Anytime.
Anytime. So they'll
You check.
inform like
At
two
least
to
1 day
three days
before they
early.
will inform. Ideally, they should inform couple of days before, but you cannot blame them if you inform 1 day
Yes,
before,
sir.
right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, one more request, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, can you please provide the job description for Prime? I could not find
But
it
it's
in
not
email.
like that. It is never a job description because you can
Okay.
be given any role. Prime is a category, not a role.
Acha. Okay.
This underline is also not required.
Okay, sir. Sir, okay, sir. I'll like find a format and format my resume.
Okay. All right.
Okay. So can you please provide some format for my resume because I have to change everything.
I have done it. I have done it. I
Okay.
have done it already. I will share again. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Ankna. Good to see you on the camera.
Yes, so sir, I have also like completed making my resume. So I have sent you on WhatsApp. If you can review my as well, I will be highly grateful and will have some direction for the resume part.
Sure. So this will be the last resume we'll be reviewing for today. And then tomorrow we join on time. Anybody who wants to review a resume. Those who will join on time, I will consider reviewing their resume.
So please, can you review mine too today?
Not,
I've shared earlier.
we will do it tomorrow. When is your interview?
The date is not yet informed.
So you can wait till tomorrow, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So Ankna, you can see the resume, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm not able to zoom it this time, but what happened? I think this is better. Wait. Okay, Ankna, so you have written all these things. So basically, you can write this in one line. Final year computer science graduate.
Yes.
Okay, undergraduate is not required. Graduate is sufficient to understand. And you can, uh, no, for post graduation, you have to write specifically, correct?
Yes.
Can't you use the same format which other two people have used? Name in the center and all this thing below?
Sure, sir.
This because this is wasting our space here, right?
Yes.
And then you see here the font size of LinkedIn is high, bigger compared to the below ones, right?
Yes.
So better you do it the other way. This is not needed, Ankna. This is nothing specifying about yourself. I can see your college here. I can see your degree here. And of course, you are applying because you're a final year student. So what's unique about it? Just mention your name and align all these things in the center.
Sure, sir.
Career objective: a highly motivated and quick learning competent graduate seeking a challenging role to apply theoretical and practical skills to solve, read problems, contribute meaningful answers. So you like challenging role, right?
Yes, sir.
Which is the most difficult subject you find?
Sir, in the whole 4 years of my course, I found operating system a bit challenging because it had vast syllabus and we had to cover different types of concepts in that. But over the time during my semester, I also found out that we can have a good grasp over the subject of operating system by dividing the subject into various parts. Like for the scheduling algorithms, I was pretty confident, but the later part where we was
Oh,
learning
hold on,
about
hold
the
on, hold on. So you still find OS difficult?
no, sir. Like after
Will you
working
tell
on.
me one subject which you still find difficult?
So now for the computer science, I am pretty much confident for all the subjects. And
So you tell me one subject simply which you find difficult. It's a straight question.
sir, like now I feel I need to work more upon the deep learning subject.
So you are not good at deep learning, right?
So I've started learning it and I am in the
Why do you answer always otherwise? I
yes.
am asking you straightforward questions. You are giving me round answers. I am asking simply which subject you find difficult as of now. So which is that?
That's deep learning.
Deep learning, right? So can you answer deep learning questions now in this interview?
Yes, I can try.
You
I'll
can
work
try.
on
Can
questions.
you do a project? Can you take up a project in TCS on deep learning?
Yes, sir, I can take.
But you find it difficult, right? Then how will you do that?
Sir, I find out difficult because it has a vast syllabus. But whenever we are working on a specific project, I will learn all the concepts that will be used in my project, and then I'll be able to work.
Okay. Yeah. All right. So so when you write things like challenging role, you can expect, questions like this, which actually, shows whether you are challenging or not. And I have not asked you deep learning questions, but panel can ask you because you wanted challenging role.
Yes,
Okay. So be mindful in using these words. Okay. See, you can spread this column. You can reduce this column and spread this so that Vidisha can come in one line.
sure.
Make sense? Hmm. Yeah. See, you have used different font here and different font here. This is Times New Roman, and this is, I think, different. So make it in a single font. Here also, it is Times New Roman, and here it is different. The size is also different. Font size is also different. And a table is not needed here. You can use simply semicolon and write this. Okay.
Yes.
So when you put so many tables, it get you should it is caught into this application tracking system. It is difficult to track, difficult to scan your CV with so many tables in the
Yes.
resume. I see you have used space letters, font much. Can you see there's a space between E, X, P? It is like you have given a space. So this is a setting where you have to correct it, right?
Yes, sir, sure.
They are not uploaded on GitHub. Font size is also different compared to the above. Make it in the same font, please.
Yes.
You don't need to use bullet point for the first heading. You use bullet point for the second heading.
Oh,
Triple IT, there I put. Use bullet point, same thing here. Okay. Hmm. The Triple IT is an institute, right?
yes, sir.
Indian Institute of Information Technology, right?
Yes, sir.
It's not a company.
Yes, sir. It's an institute.
Font size is getting smaller and smaller.
Yes, sir.
So you don't have to mention detail about position of responsibility. You can just mention training and placement and club it into just 3 points so that you get some space to accommodate other things, right?
Yes, sir.
Are these research publications?
Yes, sir.
To write research publication or research work.
Sure, sir.
You're a branch topper, right?
Yes, sir.
Good, Ankita. Ankna, you have done a lot of work, which is reflected. Just work on some editing errors. Rest looks looking good. And you can upload your projects on GitHub
Sure, sir.
and make this in a hyperlink
Yes, sir.
and align this to the center.
Sir, like the previous resume, the same format I
Right.
will also follow.
Yeah, you should.
And sir, like whenever I was answering the questions which comes out after reading my resume, so sir, any take on that? How can I improve?
You are, many times I corrected you, go straight. You're rounding off, you're rounding off. So it doesn't put you in good image, right? Only people who make excuses go round, 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 round. It is important to be straightforward also, but when somebody is pushing so hard, then you should, you know, go straightforward, right? Don't, matlab, I will say in a simple language, don't uh, you know, challenge the ego of the panel. If you have done it, then you are not getting selected. Doesn't matter, you know everything. Okay. So when somebody is asking you by pushing you, then answer directly. Okay, Ankana?
Yes, sir.
All right, good. Okay, guys. So are there any queries apart from a review of resume? Uh, we will review the resume tomorrow. And yeah, please join on time. I consider those people who join on
Hello,
time.
sir.
Yeah. Hmm.
Sir, I have one query, sir.
बोलिए संगमेश संगमेश. How do you pronounce your names? Sangesh.
Sangam, Sangamesh, sir.
Huh?
Sangamesh,
Sangesh. Which city you are joining from?
from Karnataka, sir. Gadag
Karnataka.
Hubli.
Karnataka, Hubli.
Yes, sir.
Hubli is famous for one sweet dish. What is that?
Dharwad Peda, sir.
I have crossed through Hubli when I was going to Bangalore, in
Yes, sir.
2012 for my ND interview. So they come
Yes,
to
sir.
South Sweet. It was something a park, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's round Peda, sir. It seems
Not
to be.
Pedana. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you get
Uh,
selected in TCS and ship me one round peda.
yes,
Good.
sir. Absolutely, sir. Absolutely.
Okay,
Obviously.
then I will share my
Yes,
address with you.
yes, yes, sir. Sure, sir. So,
Okay, ask him out.
yes. Sir, in my third sem, because of some distractions, I made a CGPA less than 60, sir. It seems to be 5.3, it seems. So rather than that, all other CGPA of other sims are okay, sir, like around
No,
8.5,
but
8.6.
you're talking about your college CGPA or 10th, 12th CGPA?
No, sir, college,
So it is
third semester.
mistakenly mentioned less than 60.
Yes, sir. No, sir, mistakenly not. But I have done that's third sem's CGPA less only, sir.
So what is the
Around
overall
5.
or what is the overall CGPA?
Overall is about 7.7, sir.
Oh no, so single individual SGPA of semester doesn't matter.
Yes,
Overall
sir.
CGPA should be more than 6. It is like that.
Yes, sir. It's around
You
7.7,
are
sir.
eligible. You are very much eligible. Don't worry.
No, sir, I am ready for that only, sir.
Uh,
So I tried to question you, sir.
so you have no active backlog, right?
No, sir, no, sir.
And
On
overall
what?
CGPA is more than 6, right?
Yes, sir. It's around 7.7.
Perfect. You are eligible.
Yes, sir. And one more, sir. I have got the mail of the survey link form on 15th May, sir, it seems, but they have not still sent to me the interview mail, sir.
No, so it has no answer. It will come anytime. Keep checking your mails.
Yes, sir. So, sir, I am trying to schedule interview with sir after getting the interview date. So I am trying, sir, but they will not sending still. And once I get, sir, I will surely schedule interview with you, sir.
No, what you are saying, I didn't get that. You are trying to schedule an interview
With you, sir.
with me.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. So,
Yes, sir.
uh, it depends how many candidates we have. Tomorrow we will take the interview of Raj Kedia, है ना? And
Yes, sir.
if you want to, we also have paid services. So we do a mock interview.
Yes,
You can book an appointment and do an interview with us, and
yes,
that
sir.
we can do anytime in the day, not in the evening call.
Yes, sir. No, sir. I am trying to take that only, sir. In that website, that's having us amount
So, I
500, I think.
are you facing any challenge there?
No, sir. Like I am trying to take the interview after getting my interview dates, sir. So
So
in
why are
that
you
slot,
why are you waiting for the interview date? See,
because
don't wait for interview date. The reason of mock interview it is the reason why you should take a mock interview is to get the feedback so
yes,
that
sir.
you can work on your feedback and you can prepare on the topics in which you are weak, right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So if you delay it, then you will have less time to work on your feedback.
yes, sir. Yes.
I have shared the link. Again, you can book it here and we'll take your interview basis the slot you book. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, guys, good evening. And then again, happy evening. And we will see you tomorrow. Please work hard, work at least 5, 6 hours. This opportunity can change your life. I don't have to say less, say more. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I have a doubt, sir. What if they ask about, do you know anything about the job, what you are going to do? Like, what can you tell, like, what work they do for Ninja
Which is your college? Which college you are from?
I'm from St. Francis Institute of Technology, Mumbai.
Mumbai. You have any seniors working in TCS?
Yes, sir.
Can you speak to them and understand what they do?
Yes, sir, but like they don't say about their work.
No, no, no. They will say approach some familiar seniors.
Okay, sir.
And then you understand from them what they do. And when panel will ask you what they do, tell them I spoke to my senior. So they are doing this. So most likely will also do that.
Okay, sir.
Make sense?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Perfect. By the way, to
Sir,
answer your question, otherwise, all these cycles, all the roles of SDLC, you know SDLC?
No, sir.
Software development life cycle, you don't know?
No, sir.
Oh my God, which branch?
Electronics.
Okay, read about SDLC today on internet, and then all the roles in SDLC are done in IT company, so you can get any role.
Okay.
Okay. Yes.
sir,
Yes.
sir, what happens like if I mess up my interview and will I get another chance for digital or ninja, or it is on the basis of that they
No,
only?
but why are you asking this question?
So I don't know,
Are you
sir.
going to mess up your interview?
Sir,
No,
from
you tell
today's
me.
feedback, like I have to like work
No. So
on me.
feedback is to improve. Feedback is not to get demotivated, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
If
Yes,
you have
sir.
given your interview, then I would have not said anything. But you are yet to give the interview, so I give you little tough feedback so that you can prepare for it.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Like my sister had the interview in Infosys for like 9 LPA, and she had like another interview for 7 LPA. So is सेम ही चीज होती है या फिर कि टीसीएस में अलग होता है कि सेम डे डिसाइड हो
This
जाएगा?
interview is easier than any interview.
ओके
Other companies evaluate so much, but TCS basically looks at the problem solving skills.
यस सर माय ओनली स्ट्रांग पार्ट इज सी प्लस प्लस डीएसए
No
क्वेश्चंस.
problem, no problem. Whatever is your strong part, highlight that in your introduction and throughout the interview and prepare well in the strong part and tell them, sir, I can answer any question here. Okay?
ओके थैंक यू सर,
And
थैंक यू वेरी मच.
and
Sir,
believe that you will get prime. What, Pratham?
यस सर,
Bolo, I deserve it.
आई डिजर्व इट.
I deserve prime only, nothing less than that.
आई
Bolo.
डिजर्व प्राइम ओनली, नथिंग लेस देन दैट.
Superb. This should be a thought process. Correct?
यस सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच सर.
Perfect. Yeah, next.
Sir, I want to ask one question. Sir, I do not have any strong project. I just borrowed from my friend. So
Hmm.
what can I do, sir? I have an interview for prime role. I am very overwhelmed that what should I do now?
Hmm. So what is the project about?
Sir, I borrowed two projects. They are about ML technology, machine learning.
When is your interview?
Sir, I have not got any date yet, but it can be
I know. So can you prepare for machine learning?
anytime. It can be tomorrow. It can be day after.
I need just 2 hours to learn
Uh,
about machine learning. Can't you do it till your interview date comes? It's okay
Sir,
if you
I
have
can.
not, no, if you, it's okay if you have not done, you know, much contribution in the project, but now you can read it, right? Who is stopping you?
No, sir. I've heard from somewhere that they ask for like 40 minute, 30 minute on project in deep. So that maybe make trouble.
Yeah, which is fine. They will definitely go into your project, and that is why I'm telling you, you prepare for it.
Sir, I have tried to prepare and I'm preparing right now
No, but
also.
that's
But
okay. Then no, no. If you are preparing, then you should not ask this question.
okay, sir. Sir, I am.
If your interview has been scheduled, yes, tomorrow, then I would have suggested you something else. But since you have time, the best
Yes,
thing is
sir.
should prepare for it.
Thank you
Okay.
so much, sir. Sir, one more thing, I do not have any internship to include in my resume,
That's
and
okay.
I also
That's okay.
thank you so much, sir.
प्रोजेक्ट अच्छे से कर लो. ठीक है.
जी जी, thank you.
Okay, guys, then see you tomorrow. Till then, keep preparing, keep working hard. Thank you. Signing off.